ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
ثلاثة وتسعون
93.
الجمل التابعة باستعمال إن كان ما إذا كان.
Subordinate clauses. If.
Subordinate clauses. If.
لا أدري إن كان يحبني.
I don't know if he loves me.
I don't know if he loves me.
لا أدري إن كان سيعود.
I don't know if he'll come back.
I don't know if he'll come back.
لا أدري إن كان سيخبرني.
I don't know if he'll call me.
I don't know if he'll call me.
إن كان حقا يحبني.
Maybe he doesn't love me.
Maybe he doesn't love me.
إن كان حقا سيعود.
Maybe he won't come back.
Maybe he won't come back.
إن كان حقا سيخابرني.
Maybe he won't call me.
Maybe he won't call me.
إني أتساءل ما إذا كان يفكر فيه.
I wonder if he thinks about me.
I wonder if he thinks about me.
إني أتساءل ما إذا كان لديه واحدة أخرى.
I wonder if he has someone else.
I wonder if he has someone else.
إني أتساءل ما إذا كان يكذب.
I wonder if he lies.
I wonder if he lies.
ما إذا كان يفكر في حقا.
Maybe he thinks of me.
Maybe he thinks of me.
ما إذا كان لديه واحدة أخرى.
Maybe he has someone else.
Maybe he has someone else.
ما إذا كان حقا يقول الحقيقة.
Maybe he tells me the truth.
Maybe he tells me the truth.
إني أشك ما إذا كان يريدني فعلا.
I doubt whether he really likes me.
I doubt whether he really likes me.
إني أشك ما إذا كان سيكتب لي.
I doubt whether he'll write to me.
I doubt whether he'll write to me.
إني أشك ما إذا كان سيتزوجني.
I doubt whether he'll marry me.
I doubt whether he'll marry me.
ما إذا كان حقا يريدني.
Does he really like me?
Does he really like me?
ما إذا كان حقا سيكتب لي.
Will he write to me?
Will he write to me?
ما إذا كان حقا سيتزوجني.
Will he marry me?
Will he marry me?